All right, ladies and gents. So we are going to look at how to actually start doing your itinerary for proper. Okay, so you should have a copy of the stimulus sheet, which has all the possible clients. Okay, so you've got Matt Risman, Fred Jones, etc., etc. Okay, so the first step is to pick a criteria for selecting them. So you could go the ones that earn the most. You could go with the shortest jobs. You could look at the client loyalty, like pick all the ones that are 4 or 5 stars. Okay, that's up to you. But no matter what happens, you're all going to be starting at 55 Creek Road because that's where the depot is. Okay, so you're going to have to open up Excel. Okay, and we're going to be setting up the table in Excel. Now, we're going to set it up pretty much like in worksheet number 5. So the headings we need are exactly like that. So you have start location. Now, let's just double click up there to get it across. We want to part-time. Travel time. In minutes. Now I'll show you a trick here. If you click on that and go up to this little, no, this one here, this little widget says wrap text, bang, it makes it a lot better. Okay, travel time in minutes, and then travel time in hours, and then we want distance kilometers. Speed, which is kilometers per hour. Arrival time. It's already doing that for us. And we want end location. And time spent. Let's do these two as well. Shrink them a bit. No, hang on, I'll go this way. Okay, so here's the thing. You're all going to be starting at 55 Creek Road. So let's... Okay, now you do part-time. So you might say, well, we leave it 7:15, something like that, because, by the time we get there. Okay. All right, so then you got to figure out where your endpoint's going to be. So now let's say I'm just going to pick, let's see, Susie Wright, Newdigate Street, Green Slopes. So over here, my end location is, how do I spell it? Newdigate Street, Green Slopes. Okay. All right. So I want to know how long is it going to take me to get there. So you then flip over to Google Maps. So here we go. We've got 55 Creek Road. Okay. And then we've got Newdigate Street. Newdigate Street. All right, so look at that. 10 minutes, 4.9 Ks. Sweet. Okay, so you would do the screenshot of that, okay, and put that into your your appendix. But I know it's 10 minutes and 4.9k. So I'm going to go over here. Travel time is 10 minutes. Distance is 4.9 kilometers. All right, so now I need to get hours. So I click here. Equals this one divided by 60. Okay, so that's how many hours it would take. That's how many kilometers. So my speed is kilometers divided by hours. All right, now let's just sort out one decimal place. Okay, cool. All right, now my arrival time. I'm doing 10 minutes travel. I leave at 7:15, so that's 7:25. Time spent on the job. Now, if I go to the Newdigate Street one, which is Susie Wright, time to complete job is 3 hours, 30 minutes. So 3 hours, 30 minutes. Okay, and that's my first one. So now I just need to go copy, paste. Okay, and let's say I'm going to end up, after that one, I'm going to do, I'm going to do 12 Glasshouse Crescent to Forest Lake. So, Glasshouse Crescent, Forest Lake. Definitely need to do that one there. Okay, so then I would go back, or I'd figure out my depart time. That's my arrival time. That's how long it takes. I figured that out there. I would go into my Google Maps, get my travel time and my distance. Just for interest's sake, let's say it takes 34 minutes and it's 34.2 kilometers. Okay, now I just go, I want to get that to hours. I don't need to type the formula in again. Remember, that's the whole point of the formulas. I go copy and paste. Over here, I go copy, paste. There we go. Okay, so I've got my speed. One last thing I would do, this is all very bitty, well, actually two last things. I would center it all. Okay, and when you finish, you're going to need borders around it. Okay, so if you do all of that, once you've got the entire document, entire thing, chuck in some borders. You could put some colors in the headings. That would be groovy. Okay, but you set it up like that. Then, once you've got it finished, okay, once you've done the whole day and you end back up at 55 Creek Road at the end, highlight the whole thing. Like, don't do a screenshot. This is what I'm saying. A lot of people go, oh, I've got to get that into my Word document now, and they do a screenshot. Don't do a screenshot because Excel and Word talk to each other. So you just highlight that, go copy. Now this would be your template. I'm just got a random Word document there and paste. And there it is. Okay. So that is how you construct your itinerary using Word and then copying and pasting it into, using Excel and copying and pasting into Word. Righto, get amongst it.